Hi everyone, welcome back. Guess what? I got more stationery. So I recently ordered a bunch of stuff on Stationery Pal, and it's an international website with all of the best brands in the world, and I wasn't sure how long they will take to come. Like, I didn't know if I'm going to make this video anytime soon, but I ordered it on the 10th of May and I got it on the 3rd of June. So it's like about 3 weeks they are taking, but that's fine. That's fine because I got a lot of stuff and I'm super excited to show it to you guys. I didn't even open it. Like, can you imagine how much self-control it took to not even open it? But now I'm going to. The packaging is also super cute, by the way. It came like this, like a envelope with bubble wrap on the inside. So this is very cute. I'm going to open it. So I ordered a lot of things because most of the things on the website were for very cheap. So I got very excited and I ordered a ton of stuff. I'm going to show you everything one by one, and I will also put the prices of each of these items next to them on the screen so you can check it out if that's something that you are interested in. So the first item we have is this notebook, and it's little smaller than an A5. So this is my regular A5, and if I put it against this, then you can see like it's slightly like narrower than this A5. And what this is basically a planner pad. So it is super convenient and very minimalistic. It has all of the timings here and your to-do list and your main priorities. So if you're trying to just, do a very minimal planning routine, or maybe you're trying to use this for work, you can just note down your meetings and the stuff that you need to do. And I thought this was very handy and very unique and also very affordable. So that is the first item. Oh, next I have this weekly memo pad kind of thing, and this is basically sticky notes with all of the days of the week written on top and just boxes drawn just to represent the month. You can basically use it for any month. And why I got it is as a habit tracker, because I have a lot of trouble trying to fill in the habit trackers which are in my planners, and because I use multiple planners, I kind of sometimes forget to fill the habit trackers also. So I thought of using this sticky note just stuck on the wall against my desk. It will be in front of me and I can just take it off every single day, and this will be a better reminder, I think, than something that is in my planner and on a page that I maybe not look at every day. I got quite a few sticky notes. This is another kind of sticky note that I got, and the format of it is similar to the planning pad that I got. So this is also time and things to do and just notes. I feel like this might be really useful to just tear off and stick in a planner or in a separate notebook, maybe where you're doing your regular office work and you just kind of need a running list of items in front of you and also the list of your meetings. So that's kind of why I got it, and I thought this was a very good idea, and I haven't seen any notepads like this in any of the Indian stationery website at this price point at least. So yeah, this is my next sticky notepad. Then I have something which is like a page flag basically, but it is of a very pretty pastel color. I don't think that the colors are coming out very nicely here, but these are very baby blues and pinks and like ivory with golden accents on it, and this is totally my vibe right now. I love these colors. And also they are super cute as page flags, and this one is like a bigger post-it note which is nice for writing small reminders and stuff. So this is also very, very cute. Let me know in the comments if you want like a video on how to use post-it notes in different ways, because I kind of use it in a lot of ways and I would love to share it with you if you're interested. So let me know. Speaking of page flags, we actually have three more, but page flags like this. These colors I really liked, and they are very useful as bookmarks or some pages you want to mark in your planner or something. They're also like blank enough to want to write in them, like label certain areas of your planners or notebooks or something. So that is also good for this. This one I found like I really like the colors, like the blue accents in different shades and stuff. This is very pretty, and this is completely blank, so you can stick it anywhere and write on it as much as you want to, and it acts both as a page flag or as a regular post-it note. So this was very nice. And then I also got these sticky notes, and if you see carefully here, you can basically attach it to any of the spiral notebooks, and these are the page flags which you can tear off and mark pages with. And this is also a ruler on this side, and I could not believe I found something like this. It is super affordable, and I honestly wasn't expecting it. I'm just going to take it out and show it to you. This is what it looks like. These are the parts which you can attach to the spiral bound. So if I show it on the planner pad, it's kind of like this. So you can attach it to the spiral binding, and it will also have like a tab where it stays above, so you can easily locate it. And here is the ruler, and these are the page flags which you can pick up and lift, put it anywhere basically. So I thought this was super cool, so I got it. And it is very easy to attach or detach from any kind of spiral notebook, so that was great, super convenient. And I think even after the page flags are all used up, you can still use this for any other spiral notebook, so that was great too. Next, I have another regular set of sticky notes, which just basically says checklist, and there are 4 rows for it. So this is like any regular sticky note, but I thought this pattern was very cute, so I got this. Next, I got these stickers, which are basically like journal stickers, and these are all Van Gogh paintings. So let me open and show you all. So basically just Starry Night themed stickers. If you can see behind me, I have made the painting of Starry Night, and this is super cute. So these are all the stickers which have the same Starry Night theme, and this sticker set I just wanted for one of my journaling sessions. And Van Gogh is one of my favorite painters, so yeah, I really wanted these stickers, and I thought they were very unique. I have actually never seen stickers of such different kind of shapes and sizes, and definitely not of paintings. So yeah, that was new, and I got that. Then I got 3 washi tapes. 2 of them are really thin washi tapes, and their patterns are like this. If you can see, one of them is just like branches and cherries, and this one's like squiggly golden ribbon. So I thought this would be nice. This would be nice to like just, you know, border out some places or mark out some things. This one is just silver stars and moon on black tape, and I don't have anything like this, so I thought this would be really nice as a decorative tape. And apart from this, I don't know why, but they gave me this tiny little cap, which is so cute. I love it. And apart from this, I got a bunch of pens. I got like 6 pens, and some are highlighters, some are gel, some are ball. I haven't seen all of them yet. And there's one fountain pen. They are all very different from the regular pens that I use or have tried. So I'm going to make a part 2, and there I'm going to try out all of these pens and write with them and fill ink in the fountain pen and so on, so that you get the full experience of what it would be like to use these pens. But today I'm just going to tell you what they are, and in the next video I'll show you how well they work. So I got one Pilot Juice pen in the 0.5 nib. I feel like a little bit of a fangirl, because these are the pens which all of the booktubers and the study tubers keep talking about all the time, and they write really well. Apparently I've seen the reviews of them. I don't know yet for myself, and we'll find out next week. But this is so classy. It looks very fancy, and I like that they have this grip which also does not have any ridges or anything, and just covers the whole thing in a plain smooth way, so it's easy to rest your hand on. Then we have the Pilot Friction Light highlighter, which is purple in color, and it is beautiful. It looks super pretty, like it's just a really pretty looking pen. Then we have another Pilot G2 in the 05 nib. It's like a regular retractable pen, and even the grip looks pretty good. I like the feel of it, like I like how it feels in my hand. Then the next one we have is the Zebra Sarasa Speedy Gel in the 0.5 nib. These pens look super cool. Like the grip part of it is so smooth, so classy. It looks very fancy. I like it. And then we have the Zebra Mild Liner, which is bold on this end, and I think the finer tip is on this end. So that is also pretty cool. Again, I got both of my highlighters in lilac, because why not? And then I also got a transparent fountain pen. Like, that's insane. It was so cool. I had to have it. Look at it. It's so cool. Like, I am so excited to use this. I'm going to fill in ink. Oh, it comes with a dropper, and it comes with like that piston that you can put into the ink bottle as well. So that's interesting. So yes, this is all that I got from Stationery Pal. Stay tuned on this channel. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification to be notified the next time I post another video, because my next video is going to be about the reviews of these pens. And since these are not brands that are easily available within India, I'm super excited to try these out. I hope you are excited to try them out with me. And yeah, I'll definitely see you next week. Bye.